Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go forward with that my bad.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the family channel and the crew. How y'all doing today? I hope everyone is doing well, being blessed, staying safe, and staying warm out here. We just got back from Walmart Winn Dixie, so I'm gonna show you guys everything that we got. I did do a Walmart walkthrough. I did not do one when we was in Winn Dixie because it was raining and we just went in and out of there. If you have not checked out, well, in that walkthrough you will see a vlog. It's a regular vlog. I'll be explaining about our sink and pipes and stuff all breaking and being messed up, so we're in the process of getting that done. So it's a lot that's going on, that's been going on, so you just continue to pray for our family. We are just waiting for the plumbing people to contact us, and right now they've been closed, so we don't know what's been going on with them. It's a family business we always go through, so we just making it and doing what we got to do. Okay, we do have water, it's just not any in the sink. So we're gonna go ahead on and start over here. I went and got another pack of 100 count spoons. I told you guys when we go to Sam's, I'm gonna get the big 500 pack that I had got before with the spoons and forks. We still have forks, but spoons just seem to go quicker. I went on and got the 190 load Gain fabric softener. So hopefully this will have us set up for a while. I did share in a video a few things that I did, so you guys would check that out if y'all see that grocery walkthrough / vlog, mom's getting it all done video. You guys will see that because I had ordered some stuff off of Amazon for some containers, and then I went on and got another thing of Arm & Hammer also. So this would just be like a stockpile. This was 128 load. And then moving on, I got the Great Value wipes. All of them was bent for some reason, but it's fine, and they only had 2 up there. But these was $9 for 3 wipes, and when I go to Sam's, I'll get some more. I got the Sprayway because shout out to Squeaky Clean, one of the ladies that I watch on YouTube. When I was doing that cleaning video and I had shouted her out, I see that she uses this, and she was saying she want to try the one that they were saying about at Dollar Tree. So when I do go to Dollar Tree, I'm going to see if they sell it. But if not, I'm just going to use the Sprayway because it seemed that it's been working well for them. And it was another young lady I seen, and I don't remember who it was, but they used that as well. And it was only $2 and some change. And it is ammonia free and streak free. I got 2 more of my favorite hydrogen peroxide, the multi-purpose Lysol cleaner. This just smells really good, y'all. And like I said, it's only $2.38 at my local Walmart. I already have 2 more in my closet, my stockpile closet, so that's gonna go in there. I got another thing of Dawn just to have packed up, and then I got the Great Value Strong Flex, the 13 gallon. Y'all know normally we do the 30, and we have a 13 gallon garbage can, but because we was going through so much garbage for some reason or another, me and Jordan just decided we just gonna go ahead and go back to the regular 13 gallon, because like if the kids are throwing away stuff or getting rid of boxes, they just gonna have to break their boxes down, put them in a bag, and just throw them out in the dumpster itself, because we have a recycle bin and we have 2 big garbage bins now. And so if it's boxes, they just gonna have to break them down and put them in a recycle bin, because we've been going through way too many bags, and they went up on their garbage bags for the 30 gallon, and we was able to get this, if I'm not mistaken. And like I said, if y'all interested, if y'all see the walkthrough, you will see the exact price because my receipt is put up. But 120 for 13 for the 13 gallon bags, and I want to say this was around 12. It was not over $12, I know that, and that's the lavender field scent. I got the Mr. Clean. Y'all know I like to get this one and just stock up. And then I got my O-Cedar. Y'all remember I said I wanted to get one. Also, I had shared that we did get the, what is the Swiffer? Over here, I got the Swiffer extra long wet jet. We got that from Lowe's, and it's actually this one. It's the extra large dry and wet. And I did go ahead on and get a big container of the refills, but I know my mama will have a hard time trying to snap them in there, and I got tired of having a regular old school mop bucket. I appreciated it and everything, but these, I can just take these off and pop these in the washer and won't have to worry about it. So I'm trying to make it less on my mama and less on myself. So I went on and got this. Jordan here, man, the walkthrough will tell y'all how much it is. If I remember, I will put the price, but you guys have seen these at Walmart multiple times before, so I'm gonna get Jordan to put this together for me. So yeah, like I said, this will just be easy. Mama can just pop this off and wash it when it gets dirty, and she won't have to worry about doing anything. She can just fill her stuff up, go and do the little kick thing. So yeah, we just doing what we gotta do, y'all. So now we're gonna move over to here. We did stop and just get McDonald's for lunch real quick so we can eat. And then also from Lowe's, I had told y'all we went on and got the ortho. I explained all that in that video as well. So starting here, I got the Mountain Dew Frost Bites for Philip, the berry lemonade Sunkiss for Jordan, and then I got myself the red cream soda. Y'all know this boy loved these things. I think he still got the other one in my dresser drawer, but I just went on and got 2 more. I'm not going to give them to him until the weekend. And y'all remember last time I told y'all he liked these little nerd ropes. They $1. I thought I picked up 4, but I got 3. He'll bring them to school, have them for a snack. The Chester hot fries I picked up. Well, y'all remember these used to be $2. Now they $2.29. So I picked up 2 packs of them. Another 24 case of Cokes. They just going to be stocked up. The zebra cakes at Winn Dixie. These actually came from Winn Dixie. These did as well, because Walmart didn't have any, but they was 3 for $7. I wanted to get these from Walmart, but they didn't have any of these either, and we checked all of the snack aisles, so I just wanted to pay that extra couple of dollars, but still got them for 3 for $7. We just needed 1 more pack of water, because we still have a lot. I finally was able to find Philip his Jimmy Dean pancakes and sausage on a stick. He don't really care for the Great Value brand, and I don't blame him. I tasted them and they do not taste the same. Y'all know I love to get these from Sam's when I go, but the last 2 months I went, Sam's have not been having these, so I have to go ahead on and opt out for these. You get 12 of them. I got my Nico peanut butter crackers. I told y'all when I go to Sam's, I'm gonna get the big box. We just haven't made it there yet. I got 2 more of the easy cheese, because Philip been going in on these. Cause y'all remember I told y'all Jordan had picked some up. If y'all seen that walkthrough, y'all seen him get it. But Philip seen them and was tearing them up. So I got 2 more. The Walmart in our area finally got the seedless grapes back in. The last ones I picked up, I got from the Walmart in the Waveland area. So I was able to get those this go around. I got another thing of watermelon. Everybody eat them, and then Philip bring them to lunch. I got some Kool-Aid bursts. I did 2 of the berry blue and 2 of the grapes. So I'm just going to go ahead on and open them up and stack them over there on his stand. I got me a thing of I got another thing of feminine wash. The pH balance one. The ground beef for the manwich. And I don't think I said that yet. Oh, here you go, right here. We got 2 more. If y'all remember, we had got 2 the other day. So I picked 2 more up. I got me another thing of baby oil. I just showed y'all that. And then I got the Olay, the cleansing bar with the cleansing vitamin E. And these smell so good. A lot of times, y'all know I get the Caress and I get the Dove. And the Dove for the 12 pack was $12 at Walmart. It actually went up. But the Olay was still $8 for a 12 pack. And it smells good. It still leaves your skin really soft and smooth. And this is actually safe enough for me to put on my face. The Dove is too, but I don't put the Caress on my face. And then the Colgate Max Fresh, I had needed another thing of toothpaste. And me and Philip, let me use the same. Y'all know he loved these little Sonic waters. They're just $1. So I got him 2 more, and they come 6 sticks, and it's 0 sugar. The Red Baron deep dish, those will go in the air fryer. It comes with 2 These came from Winn Dixie. Jordan got the Supreme. I got the pepperoni. And then Philip got his pizzas in the deep freezer. This is bunny hamburger buns for the manwich that I'm going to start cooking in a little bit. I went on and got Philip these, the smaller ones, the Cool Blue, because he bring them to lunch. He had the bigger bottles like this, and he would take it to lunch, but he would still end up bringing some back home. So it was cheaper. Not cheaper because it was the same price, but I can get him, what's this? I can't even count. 12. I can get 12 of these for the same price, and it'll last him because he don't bring one every day. And then Jordan got these here, the grape. And then I got Philip 2 more things of apple juice because he was running low. And then y'all already know at if y'all hear me wheezing, it's because I am. Excuse me. The check drinks was BOGO.
Buy one, get one free.
Yeah, they was buy one get one free. And then now I didn't know checks had the 24 case because Jordan was, how much were they?
$5.99.
And he was like, checks don't went up to $5.99. And I looked. And it was 24 case because, you know, they always just have the 12. But, yeah. So, if y'all seen them at y'all Winn Dixie, let me know. Because we haven't been to Winn Dixie. Yeah, in a good little minute. So, he got the peach, the orange pineapple. And I told him I didn't want any. I like check drinks, but I got my Barks cream soda, so I'm fine. And then he got the fruit punch. And then he picked up the old style premium draft root beer for mama because she like root beer floats, so that'll be perfect for her. And I think that's it, you guys. I told y'all everything. Do you remember how much that old cedar mop thing was? Wasn't it like 32, or was it cheaper than that? It wasn't that much. Yeah, it wasn't that much, y'all. I know that. I know I didn't pay that much for it. Because, well, you know, I say I, but we. $32.
Just say 33, go 32.98.
Yep. So, yeah. And I had someone ask me, and they're not new or anything to the channel. They've been watching us for a long time. I just don't want to butcher up her first name. But you know who you are, love. And I told you I was going to answer the comments. You was asking, is it any certain order that I go grocery shopping? Turn y'all this way. Okay, any certain order that I go grocery shopping, when we bulk buying stuff, we bulk buy once a month, but we rotate. One bulk buy maybe all meats. Is that my Arcos?
No, this is mine. I have 2 of these.
Because
they're in my fridge.
Oh, I say cheap. Because one time we'll bulk buy with like a lot of meats and vegetables and stuff like that. The next time I bulk buy might consist of household needs and then odds and ends stuff. So it kind of depends. But that's a once a month bulk buy. And then if we have to go back out and get other stuff, we do. But as far as grocery shopping, we used to do once a month. But y'all know we have a big family and it just was not working for us. So now we go, twice? I say twice a week and do twice a week, Lord. Twice a month and do grocery shopping. But we bulk buy once a month. And then every so many days, we got to run to the store to get odds and ends stuff. But since we went and bulked up on all the cleaning supplies, I won't have to go back until, what we at? We at the almost the end of January. The end, towards the end of February, y'all will see me go back and bulk buy on stuff like this. Now, when I do go to Sam's, I am going to get paper plates and napkins because we have not been. So we just try to make it work around our paydays. My daughter and I take paydays and stuff. Honestly, that's kind of how we do. And y'all know I do YouTube, so I don't all the time do it around my YouTube payday. Sometimes it just be with my regular payday, his payday, Riante's. You know, you do just like any other family. We're no different. We're just on YouTube. Just like you guys will get paid in bulk shop. Sometimes I may go bulk shop when I get paid for a review. It just kind of depends. And then we try to go when it's on sale. That's another big thing for us because we kind of know in our area when certain meats go on sale or when they'll have fresh meats in. If we go to Rouse's, sometimes we'll go to Rouse's and get meat in bulk buy. We normally get our stuff from Walmart, but it's times that we don't. We may go to Food Giant. If Food Giant have them a real good sale on like ribs and steaks, we'll go there and bulk buy and do that. So like I said, it just kind of depends. It's really no different than everybody else's household. We do have a child in school, so he run out of his snacks a lot. He runs out of stuff. So we just gotta shop. Like I said, just because y'all see us on YouTube doesn't mean we any different. We just sharing our family, how we budget, and how we shop. And I asked me next month when I get ready to make my grocery list if I can share with you guys how I do that, and I will, because I think I did it a year ago when I got ready to go grocery shopping and stock up on canned goods and what you call it, reserve cabinets, like overflow. I had went through all my cabinets, and the way that we have all our cabinets separated, it's easy to see what we low on, what we out of. So next time when I get ready to make my grocery list, I would share that with you guys. We'll go through cabinets together and all of that, because I know y'all be wanting to see if I do anything different. Sometimes y'all say that y'all will see stuff we get and be like, dang, we need that. We do the same thing when we watch other YouTubers. We'll be like, dang, babe, we need that, or we need to get that. So, but we hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Hope you guys enjoyed any tips. Let me know if it's the same kind of stuff y'all buy, if y'all shop any different, or whatever. If y'all know they got sales going on, if it's cheaper to get certain things on Amazon, just let me know all that, okay? And we'll see you guys later. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up button. Make sure y'all subscribe to all 3 of our channels. The links are in the description box below. Make sure y'all post notifications on, and we will see you guys later.
Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud?